Best car drive belts ensure engine efficiency, prevent slippage, reduce wear, support accessories, and maintain smooth, reliable vehicle performance. My today's video is about top 5 best car drive belts that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at top, Drive 6 PK2580. The K061015 drive belt is engineered for durability and reliability, crafted from premium EPDM material with a strong polyester cord for enhanced strength. With an outside circumference of 102.13 inches, it offers a precise fit for a wide range of vehicles, ensuring optimal engine performance. EPDM construction delivers exceptional resistance to extreme temperatures, weathering, and corrosion, guaranteeing long-lasting performance even under demanding conditions. Installation is straightforward, designed for quick, hassle-free replacement, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This belt is highly versatile, compatible with numerous models across major brands including General Hummer, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, GMC, Hummer, Hyundai, Jeep, Kia, Lincoln, and Mercedes-Benz. Its robust design supports engine accessories efficiently, prevents slippage, and maintains smooth operation, contributing to the overall reliability of your vehicle. For anyone seeking a dependable, long-lasting drive belt that combines strength, flexibility, and easy installation, the K061015 is an excellent choice. Now our second product is Lansin Engine Serpentine Drive. The Serpentine drive belt for Honda Civic, 2006 to 2011, L41.8L, is a premium replacement designed for precision fit and reliable performance. Compatible with models featuring standard routing or hydraulic power steering, it accurately replaces OEM numbers K070852, 56992 RNAA03, and 56992 RNAA04, ensuring seamless integration and dependable operation. Crafted from high-quality EPDM material, this belt offers exceptional resistance to high temperatures, automotive fluids, and wear, preventing swelling, cracking, or premature deterioration. Its robust design delivers strong driving performance, efficiently transferring engine crankshaft power to key accessories while maintaining anti-slip reliability and superior tensile strength. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, no special tools are required, and the belt can be directly replaced within minutes. After installation, a simple visual check ensures proper alignment, making it an ideal choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. For Honda Civic owners seeking a durable, high-performance, and hassle-free engine belt replacement, this Serpentine belt is a trusted, long-lasting solution. Our third product is Emiho Engine Drive Belt Replace. The Serpentine drive belt is a high-performance upgrade for Honda Civic and select Honda models, 2005 to 2014, 1.8L, designed to improve engine efficiency and reliability. By replacing the traditional multi-belt system, it reduces friction and energy loss, ensuring smooth power transfer and optimal performance under all driving conditions. This belt is widely compatible, fitting Honda Civic 2006 to 2011 with various configurations: Civic FA1/FD1/FD7/FG1, 2005 to 2012, FRV-B1, 2007 to 2012, and Civic Simo C14, 2012 to 2014, and accurately replaces OEM numbers K070852, 56992 RNAA03, and 56992 RNAA04 for a precise fit. Constructed from newly upgraded EPDM material, it delivers excellent wear and heat resistance, withstanding high temperatures and harsh environments to extend lifespan and reduce replacement frequency. The belt also minimizes operating noise, providing a quieter, more comfortable driving experience. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, allowing for direct replacement without adjustments, saving both time and cost. For Honda owners seeking durability, efficiency, and smooth, quiet performance, this Serpentine drive belt is a reliable, long-lasting solution. Now number 4, Danvard 321, 1180 drive belt. The Danvard 321-1180 drive belt is a high-performance replacement designed for a wide range of Polaris models, including RZR XP1000, 2015 to 2022, RZR S1000, 2016 to 2020, General 1000, 2016 to 2023, Ranger XP 900 1000, Trail 900 1000, and ACE 570 900. This belt also replaces OEM part numbers 321-1180, 321-1196, 321-1172, 321-1149, 321-1148, and 321-1142, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. Crafted with fiber-reinforced polychloroprene and aramid, the drive belt delivers excellent power transmission while minimizing slippage, maintaining consistent performance even in demanding conditions. Its superior heat resistance, dimensional stability, and durability allow it to withstand extreme terrain and prolonged use, ensuring reliable functionality throughout its lifespan. Installation is straightforward, offering a hassle-free upgrade for both enthusiasts and professionals. Danvard prioritizes customer satisfaction, providing responsive support within 24 hours for any questions or concerns. For Polaris owners seeking a robust, durable, and efficient replacement drive belt, the 321-1180 is a dependable choice that enhances vehicle performance and longevity. And our last choice is Lohmann's stock-size pulley belt. The 9.5 by 905 mm engine fan belt is a precision-engineered replacement designed for a wide range of Volkswagen air-cooled models, including classic Beetle, Bus, Karmann Ghia, and Baja off-road vehicles. It provides a universal fit, but cross-referencing your vehicle's manual or existing belt part number is recommended to ensure perfect compatibility. Built from premium fiber-reinforced rubber, this belt delivers superior strength, flexibility, and durability. It resists heat, wear, and stretching, maintaining consistent power transfer from the crankshaft to the generator and fan, ensuring optimal engine cooling and reliable performance. Its design minimizes skidding, drifting, and noise, promoting smooth, quiet operation while improving engine efficiency and protecting your investment. Installation is straightforward, whether for seasoned mechanics or DIY enthusiasts, allowing for quick, hassle-free replacement. Engineered for all-weather endurance, this belt performs reliably in high temperatures, moisture, and dusty conditions, making it ideal for dune buggies, off-road adventures, or classic VW cruisers. For anyone seeking a durable, efficient, and dependable engine fan belt, this product is a top choice. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.